Hi, I'm Sherri with Bryant Consultants, and I'm here with Nick from Medi Loupes, and we are here in Nashville, Tennessee at the Music City Dental Conference. So I'm going to let Nick tell you guys a little bit about what their product is, and then I'm going to tell you as an assistant, a retired assistant, how beneficial this is for us.
Well, thanks for having me. Again, Nick from Medi Loupes. I think the topic of the conversation today is to kind of talk to the difference of a standard loop and an ergonomic loop. As you could attest, you've been in some pain for years, so
Yeah.
you kind of understand. I think the best way to do it is to demo it, right?
Yeah, for sure. So traditional loops, you put them on, right? They're like glasses. If you're looking at something, you have to look down to look at it. So my neck is constantly looking down at what we're doing in the mouth. So if you're doing complex cases, sometimes you're doing this 5 hours at a time. It's horrible for your neck and back. But these loops, these are called the Ergo line.
Yep, ergonomic.
Okay, so these are their ergonomic loops. They're fantastic because I habitually, first time I put them on, I habitually went to tilt my head, couldn't see anything. I saw my shirt because it literally makes you hold your head upright so that you're not putting strain and pressure on your neck. And whatever is down here, you can see because of the angulation of the magnification. So it's so much better for your neck and back. And if you're going to be in this career for any length of time, you know you've got to take care of your neck and back because you're going to take a beating after years of doing it. These are going to save you, and you're going to enjoy your career a lot more and be in a lot less pain. So I think these are a fantastic product. I would personally wear them myself if I were still assisting.
As you can see, when you first put them on, what was the first thing you did? You went
I immediately went to tilt my head down.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I would say, even for folks who aren't starting off with these, usually the learning curve we're seeing about 2 to 3 weeks.
Sure.
With respect to our product, we do have a 60-day warranty, to trial, I should say, a trial to get used to these.
Nice.
I don't think we've ever had them returned for not being able to get used to them. Obviously, other reasons, maybe they even want a strong magnification and such.
Even with traditional loops, there's a learning curve, right?
Oh, yeah.
Because,
Yeah.
I mean, magnification is magnification, and it's completely different than looking with your, bare eye.
Well, absolutely. A little bit about our company, too. We do have standard loops and ergonomic loops. We have different name brands that we have agreements with, both Tiffany & Co. and Ray-Ban. The cool thing about our loops is they will be lifetime warranted against anything.
Oh, wow.
Believe it or not, we actually do sell to a lot of vets, so we have some pretty cool stories about how these can get ruined. We've had horses step on them, we've had dogs eat them, and if we can't fix it, we'll replace it for life.
Nice.
We do illuminate as well, so there's lights available. But to your point, we are seeing a huge uptick in these.
Awesome.
I'll say this is our warranty is paramount. As you can see, these technically they're very hard to break. They don't just fall apart. These not so much so. You're dealing with prisms and mirrors in here that are notched in and not glued. You'll see the glue if we did.
Oh, believe me, my traditional loops, the first pair I ever had, I had to send them back repeatedly to have the magnification placed back in the lens because just after time, it gets loose because they're just sitting there and glued basically, the old ones. But this is a completely different design. So
yeah, our whole idea
awesome.
is one and done.
Yeah.
One and done forever.
Awesome.
We do trade backs too. So if you find a frame or whatever and you see us later on and you're like, oh, you have that now? We'll frame you out.
Hey, that's awesome.
So literally one and done.
Yeah, love it. All right, well, Nick, thanks for taking some time to tell us about your product and hang out with us here at the dental conference. Thanks you guys for tuning in and taking time to watch our video.
Yes, thank you. We're gonna go enjoy Music City.